on the back, we start off 7 and 8, and we're trying to simplify these radical numbers. And when we do that, we do have technology that does assist us. We can use the calculator, but we also want to know where the values that are coming out of the calculator, where they are coming from. So one thing that you do have to know to be successful at this is you do have to know your perfect squares. Numbers that you can take the square root of. So numbers like 1 and 4 and 9, those are all perfect squares. So I'm going to make a list of our perfect squares off to the side. We have 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, and 36, 49, 64, 81, and 100. Okay, now these numbers are the squares of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, meaning that the square root of 1 is equal to 1. The square root of 4 is equal to 2. So on and so on and so on. Okay, so now let's go back to our problems. Square root of 148. So when we type it into the calculator does a pretty good job at giving us a solution, and it tells us that the square root of 148 is, I believe it is 2 square root of 37. But we want to know how the calculator came up with that answer. So what the calculator does, or what we should be able to do, is we should be able to think about this problem as the product of two factors. One of those factors is a perfect square. 148, you can break it down into the product of 4 times 37. Okay, we know that 4 is a perfect square. It's on the list over here. And we know what the square root of 4 is. The square root of 4 is 2. The square root of 37 is a prime number. Well, we can't do anything with that to help us simplify. So that's how the calculator came up with 2 radical 37. All right, for number 8, we want to do this similar